from 1,300 control arm failures to 3,600 suspension overhauls, I've seen what happens when drivers ignore the small stuff. But don't worry, we've tested the tricks your mechanic won't tell you. In this video, I'll share 10 secrets to help your suspension last forever. Some use a $14 product. Others just need a flashlight and 5 minutes. Whatever you do, don't skip around, because if you miss the cold weather mistake, even veteran drivers make, you'll regret it. Let's dive in. Secret number 10. Don't let the rubber seals crack. Car suspension parts are designed to last for 50,000 to 100,000 miles. The most vulnerable parts are the components made of rubber, like the bushings and seals. Even if you do everything right, they will eventually crack due to old age and environmental factors. While this process is inevitable, you can delay it by keeping the rubber soft by applying AT205 Reseal. This is an old mechanic's trick, so you won't find this in your manual. AT205 Reseal is a polymer that plugs leaks in rubber seals and gaskets. Typically, you pour this into the engine bay to mix with oil, but you can also use it for your suspension. First, remove your tire. Next, pour the AT205 into a spray bottle. Then, spray it on all the rubber parts. Give the power steering boot a nice coat. Then hit the top of the strut, the torsion bar, and the CV axle. Also, spray the rubber control arm bushings. Keeping these parts supple will save you a lot of money. For example, the lower control arm bushing is hard to reach, so fixing it can be quite expensive. Expect to pay nothing less than $1,300 to fix two, or much more if it's a luxury car. Spritzing the rubber seals once or twice a year will take a few hours, but it's worth it. However, this will be the least of your problems if you keep doing the next thing. Secret number 9. Stop abusing your cars. Unless you have a car emergency fund of $3,000, there's no upside to driving like a maniac, especially on rough roads. That's an easy way to wear out your coil spring. To show you how bad it is, one test found that coil springs wore out after 1,248 cycles on a rough road. Guess how many cycles it needed before it went bad on a flat road? 19,060. To put this in simple terms, if you drive on a rough road twice a day, your coil spring will fail in less than 2 years. But if you're on a flat road or drive with restraint on rough roads, it will last for 26 years. If you have to replace all 4 springs, you'll spend at least $1,400. But wait, there's more. Another part of the suspension that hates rough roads is the lower arm suspension. It will fail after 3,580 cycles on a rough road, but on a flat road, it will need 11,914,000 cycles. This means the lower arm can last forever, but only if you drive right. If you have to fix it, expect to pay an average of $550 per arm. Altogether, driving on rough roads can cost you a $3,600 repair every 3 years. But do you know what makes it even worse? Combining it with the next mistake. Secret number 8. Get the junk out of your trunk. Spare tires are disappearing. In the 90s, nearly every new car came with a full-size spare tire. Then came the donut. But now, only 40% of new cars come with any form of spare tire as standard equipment. That's in the US. In the UK, that figure is just 3%. The excuse from car manufacturers is that they are trying to reduce the weight of the car to boost fuel economy. Instead, new cars come with tire sealant kits. While car makers are definitely trying to scam us, there is some truth to it. More junk in your trunk means worse fuel economy, and we discussed this in our video 17 fuel-saving myths that waste your money. However, you should be more concerned about your shocks, especially if you drive on bad roads. Excess weight compresses the springs and shocks, which reduces suspension travel. Over time, this will cause permanent failure. Your bushings, springs, and shocks will all go bad, and this will cost thousands of dollars to repair. Other problems will include poor acceleration, harder control of the car, and worn-out tires. So, if you must carry heavy things, offload them as quickly as possible. Leave them at home if it's not essential, like an emergency car repair kit and a few light extras. Otherwise, you will end up with the next problem. Secret number 7, never delay wheel alignment. 70% of car owners are afraid that they're being scammed by their mechanic. One of the most common scams they run away from is wheel alignment. Unfortunately, this fear causes drivers to make poor decisions. That's why 35% of drivers have admitted to delaying wheel alignment by over a month. That is enough time to cause mild damage to your tires and your suspension. And yes, your tires are a crucial part of your car's suspension system, but we'll get to that later. When the wheels are misaligned, treads wear out unevenly, and tires don't roll at the proper angles. This puts more strain on ball joints and the wheel bearings. But it gets worse. Misaligned wheels also put pressure on the tie rods and control arms. That's because the weight of the car is unevenly distributed. As these parts work overtime to keep your car stable on the road, the struts and shocks become affected. Your suspension geometry goes out of whack, and parts begin to fail. Depending on how bad the misalignment is, your repair bill might be a few $100s or a couple thousand. A $150 wheel alignment can prevent all of this. Take advantage of free wheel alignment checks whenever you change oil or swap your tires. Remember that even a 2mm misalignment is a problem. Getting your wheels aligned has numerous advantages, and it also helps with the next suspension care secret. Secret number 6, protect your strut mounts. Strut mounts are an underrated part of the suspension system. Their main purpose is to minimize vibrations and noise so you can enjoy a quiet ride. Of course, they also hold the struts in place, which is critical for handling and comfort. Strut mounts are often neglected by repairers because they're relatively cheap. You can get one for $20. But if the rubber boot gets damaged, your struts are next, and that will clean you out. A full strut replacement is at least $800 per axle, but some shops charge over $1,300. The best way to save money is to keep the strut mount supple. So, whip out your bottle of AT205 and pour a little bit down the sides of the strut mount. Again, this will revive the rubber and prevent it from cracking quickly. You also need to be careful around potholes. Aggressive driving can cause the strut mount to pop out of place. You might not notice it until you have to replace a tire or you jack up your car and the mount falls out. The third major thing that ruins strut mounts is the over-tightening of the top nuts. While keeping your nuts and bolts tight is good, always stick with the recommended torque. Bonus tip: cold weather clunks are common. If your car makes clunking sounds when it's cold but goes quiet after warming up, it's probably nothing serious. Rubber bushings harden in the cold, especially as they age. Once the car warms up, the noise usually disappears. It's annoying, but not dangerous. Speaking of things you need to tighten. Secret number 5, tighten your suspension bolts regularly. There's a reason why NASCAR pit crews re-torque hundreds of bolts before every race. Suspension bolts are the weakest link of your suspension system. While they don't break easily, they get loose from vibrations and wear and tear. And if you do a lot of off-roading or drive on unpaved roads, they will wear out faster. 38% quicker, in fact, according to a study published in the Journal of Automotive Safety. So, If your suspension system is built to last at least 50,000 miles, it will wear out around 36,000 miles. Yikes! Driving with loose bolts will damage bushings and ball joints and might even crack the frame. It can also cause alignment issues, uneven tire wear, and in some cases, complete parts separation. That is how gruesome accidents happen. Fortunately, this is an easy fix. Whenever you rotate your tires, which is between 5,000 to 8,000 miles, have your bolts retorqued. This might cost you an extra $100, but it will save you thousands and help prevent accidents. Seeing as we're on the topic of tires, here's something you probably didn't think about. Secret number 4, always keep your tires happy. Did you know that your car's suspension is designed around the size, shape, and alignment of your tires? This makes tires the most important part of your suspension system. Tires are also the primary shock absorbers, providing a buffer between your car and the road. When tires are not properly inflated, impact force increases by up to 35%. This transfers more shock to the suspension system and passengers. Here's another problem. If you use the wrong size tires for off-roading and they're not installed properly, they can reduce the lifespan of your shock absorbers by 30%. In general, poorly maintained tires will cause your suspension to wear out 20% quicker. That, by the way, does not include poor wheel alignment, which we discussed earlier. That is why it is important to always keep your tires at the right PSI. This information is printed on the driver's door frame and in your manual. You should also rotate your tires a maximum of every 8,000 miles and keep your wheels aligned. But don't stop there. Watch our video on the 17 car tire mistakes you're probably making right now. And if you find this video useful and want more tips like this, hit that like button and subscribe. Let's move on. Secret number 3, always rinse off salt. The only thing worse for your suspension than driving on rough roads is salt. Salt interacts with oxygen and moisture, causing an electrochemical reaction that creates rust. But even when you don't see any signs of corrosion, salt will weaken the metals. Unfortunately, road salt has a nasty habit of getting under your car. It eats at your suspension and brake lines. When this happens, you have to replace the whole thing. We're talking thousands of dollars in repairs. However, there is an easy way to prevent this. If you live in an area with a lot of snow or near the sea, rinse your undercarriage every week. If you don't want to do this at home, take your car to a drive-through that has pressure jets on the floor. However, that can get expensive. Paying $20 a week to get your car cleaned is about the price you'll pay to replace corroded parts every few years. All you need to wash the undercarriage at home is a pressure washer, a good jack, and a water broom. It's a small investment, but these tools will help you save over $5,000 in repairs. If you do need to replace car parts, pay attention to the next tip. Secret number 2. Use quality replacement parts. According to the Federal Reserve, 59% of Americans can't afford a $1,000 emergency, including for car repairs. So, when these repairs come, we're always looking for the cheapest option. This is particularly true for suspension parts. That's because OEM parts can be much higher than aftermarket alternatives. For example, you can get an aftermarket ball joint for $20, while the OEM goes for at least $200. While saving $180 sounds appealing, that's not what will happen. Aftermarket parts don't always fit. So, not only will this part break again, it will likely take something along with it. Plus, you'll be paying for labor costs all over again. That's why you should never use cheap replacements for your suspension. You should also replace it on time and in pairs. If your ride height has dropped, you're hearing strange sounds, or your car is getting harder to handle, go to a shop immediately. The longer you delay, the worse it gets. A failing suspension will not only affect ride quality, but also compromise safety, especially in high-speed situations. So, don't be cheap with your suspension. Bonus tip: don't panic over small cracks. Dealers love saying, "Your bushings are cracked," but surface cracks are normal. Unless they're split or making noise, you're fine. Don't let a harmless $50 rubber crack turn into a $1,500 job. Secret number 1. Inspect your power steering fluid often. Many people believe that power steering fluid is only meant to make steering easy, so they don't check it until the wheels get hard. Well, buckle up for a quick lesson. The power steering fluid prevents your suspension system from wearing out. Tie rods, control arms, and steering knuckles depend on the power steering system. So, if the power steering doesn't work properly, those parts will begin to wear out. Power steering fluid also keeps the part lubricated and minimizes internal friction. This keeps the ball joints and tie rods stable. Now, back to steering. If steering becomes too difficult, it will put pressure on the strut mounts and control arm bushings. In other words, this little fluid is protecting thousands of dollars worth of equipment. That is why you must check your power steering once a month. Make sure it isn't lower than the minimum, and make sure it's clean. Dirty power steering fluid turns into a liquid cutting tool because it moves about at 1400 psi. This will rip up bearings, hoses, and anything else it comes in contact with. Some cars recommend you swap out power steering fluid every 3 years, while others say 50,000 miles. If you drive on dirt roads, you will need to change it more often. Bonus secret: modern cars don't use grease fittings anymore. Back in the day, you could grease up every joint and keep things running smoothly. Today, most suspension parts ride rubber directly on metal. No grease, no fittings, just friction. That's why rubber conditioners matter more than ever. They're your only real line of defense against dry, squeaky suspension. You've seen how AT205 saves your suspension. But what if your mechanic's not telling you the whole story? In this next video, I'll reveal 11 hidden car problems that quietly drain $2,700 a year from drivers. Click here before your next repair blindsides you.